What's up, everybody? We're here with Pengu _the penguin. Go subscribe to him if you haven't already, and subscribe to me too. And we're gonna be getting some research points today.
Alright guys, we're back out here with another video. We got my friend right here, PorterVR244. Go subscribe to him and subscribe to me if you haven't already, please. But today we're going to be showing you guys the best way to get research points if you guys want research points. Let's get into it. If you guys have any game requests, leave them down below in the comments for me to play or for him and me to play. So just let us know down below. If you have any requests, just let us know in the comments. Check that. That's one of the good ones. Not that I really need it, but. Don't take my grappler, please.
Alright, we're gonna be.
Or do you want one? I'll give you one. Oh, that's the kind of one, of course. Oh, I need my other ones. Do you know if you have grappler?
Yeah,
or not?
I have one.
Okay.
I also have my Minecraft pickaxe and my green revolver.
Alright, I bought you your backpack one. I bought a backpack.
Thank you. Just in case
Either way.
we find anything cool today, I'm bringing.
Yep. Alright guys, let's get right into it. We're gonna show you guys the best way to get research points in Animal Company. Grab your basketball backpack is what I meant to say. So you want to go to deep mine.
Which way did you go, right?
You want to go to deep mine. That's the best way to get research points in it.
And I.
Like, see, you get company coins from the gold and stuff like that. So like,
I also do.
see, I got one research point. My second one.
See, I already got one research point. Another one. And another one. I just got 3 research points
Another one.
in one go. And that's just one of the tunnels. There's a bunch.
I'm pretty sure the max research point you can get is a day is like 4 or something like that. But like mine are the ones that are up there. Then jump down here. Oh,
My bad.
and like go in this cave. There's always so much in this cave. And go in all the other caves up there. Spider.
Dead.
And go in like all the caves up there, like on every.
And then if you do, very good for research points. And I already have 4. I already got the max today, but
I've got one. So far, so we're gonna be trying to get research points. I don't know why we need the backpack, but
just in case we.
But like, if you guys like, go up here and like go through, say like, let's see, say you go through this cave, there's gonna be a spider probably. There's a spider in pretty much every cave. But you go through the cave and see how many research points are over there? Look at all those research points right there.
I just died, but that's okay. And now I'm going back for my revenge. just need to go down and get my revenge. Where is what cave are you in? Not the one with lava.
Bag with your stuff.
Oh, I see you.
Bottom. Yeah, all your stuff's down there.
In the bag.
Yep. Grappler, pickaxe. Stuff like that. But there is tons of spiders, so bring.
I got a revolver.
Well, obviously you're gonna bring a pickaxe if you want to find them. So, well, like, just either way. The plant, and people say planetarium's also the best way. The planetarium is not the best way.
Did you die? Oh, that's my body.
Die! Die, you stupid. Yeah, maybe rest in peace.
Oh, I got a big.
Don't move.
Imagine I grappled up and you shot on him. Dude.
That'd be crazy. Anyway, guys, so like, it's going a bunch of the different caves.
In mind. If you want to get a bunch of research points.
But anyway, that's how they say. The videos that say how to get infinite research points are such lies. And if they say go to sewers and get mine and wait for them to all respawn and stuff like that, no. It's the best way.
Yeah. Yep, and
that's gonna be the end of the video. We might just mess around in the video for a little bit because I don't know what to do. Because like all these other people, their videos like so long on how to get to this point, so like it's really gonna take you that long.
where did you go? Same.
PENGU. So, guys, if this comes up on your For You page, just please try the videos. I post tons of videos and stuff. I post Animal Company. Guys, I'm trying to get the drip department hat in Animal Company, so please subscribe and subscribe to my friend
Yeah,
VR244.
we just made our YouTube channels a couple of days ago, and we're just trying to make some YouTube channels. So please subscribe if you see this and watch it. Please. And we will make more videos. Just comment down below what suggestions you have for games, and we'll play them. For me, or him, or both of us.
But anyways, if you guys have any video ideas too, let me know down in the comments. Anyways, I don't know, this is just a short video, so I might end it off here. We are just trying to show you guys how to get research points if you want to unlock stuff over in the tech tree. But anyways, have a good day, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.
Yeah, we're probably gonna go. So thank you for watching, and we're gonna go. Bye.